Hi there, my name is Jen Diaz and I'm with the Moss Houses team at Navascon Realty here in the Denver area. And we actually wanted to reach out to all you local Arvada people just to let you know that we've partnered with an amazing contractor who will do repairs, remodeling, all of this stuff up front to get your house sold for more. So we already successfully did this with one home in the Pomona Lakes community, and we were able to net our seller roughly about $57,000 more than what the house would have sold for if they would not have done any of the remodeling that was done. And our contractor was able to do all of this prior to closing, got it listed nice and neat, and then we were able to sell it for top dollar. So if you're interested in finding out how all of this works, or maybe you just want a little bit more information, feel free to reach out. You can call me, you can text me, you can DM me. I will have all of my information at the end of this video, and I would love to chat with you.